So, I'm just making this video on my experience with trying to organize my toolboxes, and my socket sets, what I have for sockets. This is my current of what I have, and I've gotten all this stuff off of Amazon. I got these ones, and they're pretty nice. And then some of them came like this one, and then these ones with just the clips, not magnetic. And I didn't like them. I didn't like them the way that they were. So, and honestly, the toolbox widget, I was looking at those and they were so expensive. It's really stupid me saying that, honestly. They're so expensive for what they were, just some plastic pieces. And I didn't like these. I mean, they just didn't, I couldn't do it the way I wanted to. So I had one of these VIM Magrails. This is an old one. I've had it for a long time. And it was on, just sitting up here. And then I watched a video about these, and I'm like, man, these are really nice. Right? These are really nice. And they're really fucking expensive too. But they're really nice. So I literally bought a fucking shit ton of them. Get in your fucking home, bitch. And I have more here. I've already been putting them up on some of them. These. You have to put these things on there, because if you don't, when they're in your toolbox, they are not coming out. That's what happens when you don't have the pegs. But I went and got all the fucking pegs. Probably 180 each. Because where's the one? Where's the one? This one. See, this one has the pegs in it. That way you can literally do this and they'll come out. But the VIM Magrails are not cheap. And I was literally bitching about toolbox widget, right? About how expensive they were. Well, these are much more expensive. But the difference is these. Ah, goddamn, bro. Ooh, that fucking hurt. Look at that. Look at that motherfucker. Those two motherfuckers pinched together and fucking broke the skin. God damn. Now you can't. Ow. That fucking hurts, dude. These motherfuckers feel premium. They're not fucking plastic. Oh, yeah, they got. God damn, that motherfucker's bleeding. These things feel premium. And they fucking hurt. You literally, Those two motherfuckers clamping together pinched me and freaking goddamn. So now the point is, all of these different ones, these fucking magnets suck ass. The magnets in these things literally are the strongest magnets you can get. I can't remember what they are, but watch this shit. You hear that, right? These are these little ones. Watch this shit. You ain't getting them motherfuckers apart. I mean, with one hand, it ain't happening. But I got to get all of these onto those, and I have more coming. And these are just the sockets that I was able to put on the trays, right? I have all of these too. Metric, standard, over there, you see? And I've got more shit over here. These are just sets that aren't complete. And all I'm trying to do is have something that I'm proud of, toolboxes that I'm proud of. God damn, my fucking finger hurts. These are my wrenches. My wrench drawers so far. These. These are pretty nice. It's Capri. God damn, bro, look at that shit. Fuck. And I like icon stuff, but motherfucker. I own a truck repair service, 24-hour truck repair service, and I've been a full-time firefighter for, well, 20 years now. I'm a driver engineer. But I own a 24-hour road service company and a truck shop. I bought so much shit over the years. I can tell you right now that I buy tools based off of the need. I'm not buying Snap-on. I'm not buying freaking Mac tools. I've lost so much shit. Where's my... This is my other box. There's my... Oh, here's my wrenches. These are just the spare wrenches. There's the fucking Mac tool shit. Oh, it's over here. Okay. Mac tools. Nope. Oh, I got more shit here. I didn't even notice. I forgot about all this shit here. These sockets. Making sets. Oh, where the fuck are those Mac wrenches? Nope. 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 Oh, here they are. These Mac wrenches, over the years, these knuckle saver wrenches, right? I have all of these knuckle saver wrenches. And I remember being fucking 15, 16, now 17, 18. Right out of high school, started working for my dad in the road service. This is in like 2003. I remember what I paid for these motherfuckers. One set of these knuckle saver fucking Mac wrenches in 2003 for just an SAE set were literally $600. And I've literally gone into Harbor Freight. I have 5 service trucks at one time. I've gone into Harbor Freight to stock the service trucks with tools, because most mechanics, you can't, trying to find somebody that has mechanics to have tools is pretty difficult. But I've gone in there and used shopping carts full of fucking tools to completely outfit a service truck for $1,000. This was fucking 15 years ago, 20 years ago. But I've lost. Look, I got fucking bunch of. Can't make a full set of it, so I can't put it in there anymore. I can't make full sets of the Mac stuff anymore, and I can't justify the difference between Mac and Snap-on wrenches. Than fucking Icon shit, or these Genius wrenches. They're Genesis, and the Icon. Oh, this is bull tools. Like, come on, bro. This shit's nice. Where's the Icon? There. Okay, there's the Icon stuff. I can't justify the difference in the price. All of these Magrails and all of that shit over there, this is probably like $1,500 worth of socket organizers. But eventually, all of this will be on these. And there, or there, or there. This toolbox. This is my son's toolbox. My 20-year-old son. $5,000 off the Snap-on truck. $2,000. $5,000. $2,000. Less than $3,000. For all of this. So, it's not about the fucking brand, dude. And I'm not going to edit anything on this. This is going to be like a first upload for me. And, you know, if you liked it, let me know. If not, I don't fucking care. Deuces.